Why do your digital marketing struggles often fail? Spending hours crafting the perfect social media post that doesn't bring results? Running ads that seem to vanish into the digital competition? We've all been there. But why do so many digital marketing efforts fall flat? The truth is that most marketing struggles come down to a lack of planning and direction. You wouldn't jump into a pool without knowing how to swim, so why approach digital marketing the same way? Not having a clear target audience or understanding their online behavior brings you only disaster. Randomly posting without a strategy leaves your audience confused and unengaged. Chasing every new marketing trend distracts you from focusing on what actually works. Pointing fingers at platforms or blaming the algorithm ignores the need for better strategy and execution. But fear not, digital warriors. There's a way out of this struggle cycle. First, define your brand goals and identify your ideal customer. Plan engaging content that resonates with your audience. Social media isn't just about broadcasting, it's about connecting. So, focus on building relationships. Monitor your results and adapt your strategy based on data. By adopting a data-driven approach, you can transform your digital marketing from a frustrating flop to a roaring success. Remember, it's about quality over quantity, strategy over guesswork, and building relationships that last.